Hey, what's up everybody? So today in this video we're going to talk about percentage. Now, it's a quite interesting and also important topic in maths. And in a daily life, we are many times asked to calculate percentage of any number like 100, 150, anything like that. For example, 500 you are getting a discount in a shop of 20% at the when you are buying something or some item of 500 rupees, and you are asked to calculate the percentage. Okay, so in such cases you should know percentage, otherwise you would be using the calculator and it also taking a lot of time in calculating that. So in this video we're going to talk about percentage only, and I'll try my best to teach you what is percentage and how you can calculate it easily. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel till then, please do subscribe it if you like this video. Thanks. So before getting into how to calculate percentage, we will be learning what is the symbol of percentage. Now most of you would be knowing, but still I am telling, this is a symbol of percentage. So let's get started with how to solve percentages. I mean, we're gonna solve a lot of questions about percentage. So let's move on to our next slide. So over here we are gonna now solve some questions and learn percentage through a few examples also. Now firstly I'm gonna give you an example of this question. 20% of 10, what is the answer? Now you would be placing it like this: 20 upon 100 multiplied by 10, and this the way I am writing it is always the same, it is common, but the numbers change. That for example I want to calculate 30, then I will be writing over here 30, 50 and so on. Okay, so let's for example currently make it 20 only, and this number can also change. Like for example it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be even 125, it can be even 95, it can be anything. Okay, so this 100 always remain the same, but these two always change. In these kind of questions only I'm talking about. So now over here in this case, firstly we will be cutting the zeros of 10 and 100. One gone, one gone. So now 20 upon 10 multiplied by 1. The answer is 20 upon 10. Now divide it. So we are gonna cut the zeros again. So the answer is 2. And this is the correct answer. It is the accurate one. Over here I'm having another question for you. Okay, so let's for example now make it 30% of now 50. So what is the answer? I want you to also solve these all kind of questions, because um, these are quite simple as you're able to see, and also already I have solved one of them. I'm also gonna write answer dot, yeah. Now I'll be typing in 30%. So 30 is placed over here, 30 upon 100, and after that we will be multiplying it by 50, because we have to calculate 30% of 50. Okay, now what is the answer? And one thing I also wanted to do over here, I want no step skipped. So I'll be now copying this and place it here, and the cutting would be shown over here. Over there the question is shown. Okay, so yeah, now it's looking good. I hope it's now looking better, because I wanted you to see the first step and the last step too, no step skipped. Okay, so yeah, now moving on to the second question, I'm getting 30 upon 10 100 into 50. So over here I'll be cutting zeros. Oops, sorry, 1 second, I'll be zooming in. Yeah, 1 0 gone. Okay, and we are getting 1 second. I'll be also cutting this 0, because we don't want, and in the next step we will do it. Yeah, now cut these zeros. 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone, and over here 1 second, I'll be Now the answer over here is 3 by 1. So by 1 now doesn't matters. And 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? 15. This is our answer. Wasn't it quite easy? I hope that these all questions are now clear to you, and you would be not facing any problems in solving such easy questions. And at last all, I will provide you a small PDF or something like that in my comments or in my description. um, it's kind of a revision, okay? So I'll provide you that you can solve those questions. And if you're facing any issue in any questions, then you can do ask me freely in the comment box. Okay, so over here, for example, now I want the 90% of of I want the 90% of, for example, I want 315. It is yeah, a little bit difficult, but we will solve it. So 90 by 100 multiplied by 315. Over here we will be cutting the zeros in this step. Yeah, so 0 0 gone. And now 9 multiplied by 315, what is the answer? So we'll be using the calculator so that my answer is perfect. 9 multiplied by 315, so the answer is 2835. I know it's just quite big. Okay, so over here we will be writing 2083. I hope I have wrote it correct. Yeah, what was it? 9 multiplied by 315. Yeah, 235. It was 35. I'm sorry. 2035. Yeah, done. As it is written over here. 8, I mean 8. 2835. Is it correct? Yeah. And by 10. So now we will get our answer, and it is 2835. 283 and point 0.5, because 10 would provide a dot over here after one character. 10 would provide a dot, and these all things I have explained in my decimal video. If you want, I can provide it in the description, and I usually forget about these things, about providing the content in the description. And if I forget, then please let me know in the comment box. I will surely provide you everything. So the answer of this question, which is 90 by 100, and I mean 90% of 315 is this 283.5. This is the accurate answer. I'll be again writing it, 283.5. Done. Okay, so I'll be now giving you more questions like this. And you might be thinking that this slash is sign I am using, this forward slash one, I mean this slash I'm using, so this means the upon one. You would be writing it somehow like, if I search in the on the internet, percentage, and you would be getting a lot of images how to calculate percent. Yeah, this one. So this is the upon sign. Okay, this slash I'm using as the upon one. You would be writing in your notebook or anywhere else like this only. 13 upon 100. Over here also I have tried that only, but in keyboard computer, you know that we don't get something like this. We are not provided with such a feature. Okay, so yeah, now another one I'm having is, I think we will now calculate 60%. Okay, so of, or now let's we as you're knowing that we are now easily able to solve such kind of questions. Now let's solve some other category of questions like I think now we are able to solve a little difficult one. Now, for example, you got a marks like you got 59 out of 60. 59 out of 60 you got. Alright, then what is the percentage? We want to calculate the percentage. Okay, so what is the percentage? This is the question with us. Now, for finding the percentage, it's just quite easy. 15 upon the total amount is 60. This, the above one, which is on the, one second guys. Yeah, the thing which is the numerator over here is the thing is I mean that what you got is the you can write it over here. Okay, what you got, you will place it at the numerator place, and the denominator would be the total amount, I mean. Yeah, so 59 divided by 60 multiplied by 100, this is I have wrote over here as you are able to see. So let me just copy this one so that I can paste it in the future over here. Okay, so yeah, now we will be cutting the 0 and we are left with 59 upon 6 multiplied by 10. So 59 multiplied by 10 is 590 divided by 6. What is the answer? So you can easily calculate it with your your calculator, or you can also divide it with your hands, I mean in your rough work. I'm actually currently not provided with a rough work kind of over here, so I'll be using the calculator only so that I will get the accurate one. So 590 divided by 6, 98.3 percentage we got. Okay, this is your percentage. You can easily calculate it. If you want to calculate something like this is your question, then this is an easy way to solve it out. Okay, and I have already told you this means the upon one. Do not confuse it with something else. Okay, so till this point we are able to solve every question very easily. Now I am having a question which says this. Okay, now this question says 12 is 10% of what? Now, how to solve it? So we will be now solving it. I'm gonna zoom a little out so that if you want, you can also take a screenshot of all these questions. Yeah. So now I am solving the question over here. Yes. So answer. Okay. 12 and 12 multiplied by 100 upon 10. 12 multiplied by 100 upon 10 is equal to what? So when you multiply 12 with 100, then you will get 1200. Okay, so 1200 you will get. Okay, 1200. Now divide it with 10 and you will get the answer 120. This is the answer. So the 10% of 120 is equal to 12. And for just confirming your answer, rechecking your answer, you can also apply such kind of method, like you can also calculate it again, like 120, what is the percentage of I mean 10% of 120, you can again calculate, and if the answer is 12, then it means that your answer is 2 correct. Okay, now another one I'm having. So 15 is 20% for example I'm taking, and we'll be typing in over here answer. One second. Answer 15 multiplied by 100 upon 20 this time. Okay, 20, and this is equal to 15 into 100, which is 1500. 1500 divided by 2020. And now what's the answer? Cut the zeros firstly, and you'll get that the answer is I guess 75. 75, not a percent sign we want. So this answer is 2 correct. Now I hope that till this point you are able to understand everything, and now it's the time of revision. Revision. Okay, revision. These are the two sections. This is the practice time, and this one is the revision time over here, which I have wrote revision time. Done. Okay. So I'll be giving you 5 questions. If you want, you can take the screenshot here only, and yeah, if you want, then I will provide them in the description. Please do let me know in the comment box if you want them. Okay, right. So now with that said, I'll be typing in over here some question. Like find out 19% of. I want the 19% of 59. Okay, 59. Okay, done. Give me the answer in the comment box. Yeah. So what is the answer? Please give me in the comment box. The second one is something like 39 percentage of 39 percentage of 61. I want. Okay. The third question is like we have studied over here. Okay. So give me the percentage over of 49, and it's like the marks. Okay, so like over here in this question, the fourth question and the practice time, we calculated that we got 59 out of 60, and I wanted the percentage as written over here. So please give me that. 59 49 out of for example, we got out of 55. Okay, I want the percentage. Yeah. And the fourth one. Okay, let's try something like this. I want the answer of 25 is 30% of what? And the last question, okay, so let's just take something like that only. I will give you a little difficult. Like 80 is 90% of something. Okay, these are all the questions. And if you are having any issue in this chapter, I mean in this topic, then please do let me know that in the comment box. If you want, you can take the screenshot of everything present over here. And I have given you everything, as you're able to see. You can take the screenshot over here. And I'll be also providing in the description. I hope that I do not forget that. Okay, so now I have made a mistake of the if. I have wrote over here 80 if. Okay, so I made it is. Now you can take the screenshot. The spelling is error is not there. Okay, now at last I want you to subscribe my channel. As you're able to see this in this video, we have talked about percentage, and if you're having any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment box. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly smash the subscribe button, and also please do like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye till my next video.